In the heart of Yishun Chongpang stand these poles. Chongpang's bird poles reminds us of bird singing traditions, a fading culture cherished by local elders. Why is it fading? Because the spaces are simply not enough. For the community, this area can be too cramped and does not have the right amenities. Not having proper sheltered area can be very hard for users and birds. The heart of the sadness lies here. These beautiful songbirds are trapped in small cages and not having freedom to fly around. This is a constant reminder of how restrictive this once joyful hobby has become. Initial design was a community learning garden. It directly addresses the fading culture by using passion for bird singing to bring everyone together through learn, plant and connect. Guided by the bird singing uncles to ensure authenticity, relearning about birds and biodiversity, and also planting the native species that restore natural song to the area. From the existing bird pool area transforming into Songbird Sanctuary. To gain a deeper environmental understanding of the site, I used grasshopper. By running a sun analysis, I identified areas suffering from intense solar heat. With that, I also used the resulting shadow analysis data to specifically guide my efforts to redesign and optimize green spaces. To start laying out the park, I used circle packing technique in Grasshopper to visualize and propose my zoning spaces, which helped me plan a better spatial layout. Next, I ensured the new design could successfully accommodate all users. I gathered visitor data from my research on past competition and training days. This allowed me to analyze the population density and determine the park's capacity requirements to properly accommodate the expected number of hobbyists and visitors. Using Grasshopper for the form exploration helped me to create different iterations by applying a series of manipulations, specifically rotating, cutting, splitting, gave me the final form for the central podium space. The concept is using the bird cages to expand, explode, and inverts the form into a tree-like structure, which serves as a few different functions throughout the space. The proposed layout begins with the arrival welcome point, central podium for competition events, observer deck, communal garden, walking path, elevated pathway, and surrounded by greenery.
Kau tengok dulu kan Old Bird Parade dah tutup. Sekarang dia dah renovate balik. Sebab tu aku bawa kau ke hari ni.
Okay, aku tengok ni part baru ni. Ada apa kat dalam? Tunjuk aku Asya.
Boleh tak tolong beli bunga matahari kat bawah blok? Kat bawah blok je. Untuk burung mama.
Okay, Mama. Hihi. Wow, all the bird food you want got here. Got sunflower seeds, got small ones, everything. Even the fancy bird cages all selling. 来 must come see.
Shh. Look at the bird up there in the tree. Faster. Take picture. Hurry up lah, before it flies away lah.
Ooh, the bird very colorful.
தம்பி, என்னோட தோட்டத்துக்கு வரியா? என் பறவைக்கு சாப்பிட இலை பறிக்கணும்.
Boy, come follow uncle. Let's take the shortcut through the park back home. Faster that way lah.
Uncle, can teach me how to hang the bird cage. How to do this?
哇，现在有给我们欣赏鸟的地方了，空气很新鲜啊，而且也不会吵到邻居，这是很好的一个概念啊。